welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate it. So I'm trying to use natural lighting. I'm sitting at a different spot than I normally do. So my camera is going in and out, bright and non-bright. So that's probably because I'm using natural lighting. So I do apologize in advance if there's parts where it gets too bright or not too bright. So I apologize. But I just wanted to come on here and share with you guys a recent Ulta haul that I did. I placed an order. There was some new products that I saw that they got, and then some other products that were really discounted for a really good price. And so I thought, why not go ahead and pick them up? So if you want to see what I picked up in a recent Ulta haul, then just keep watching. First thing that I picked up was this Morphe and James Charles. This is the mini palette. That is what it looks like. This is the mini. It's just like the big one, which I do have back there. But this is the mini one. And I picked this up for a gift. I have some birthdays coming up, and I have a Secret Santa that I have to buy for. So I figured that I would pick this up and decide who I want to give it to when I decide that. It's really nice. It's travel friendly, which is great. I got my James Charles palette from my friend Desi here on YouTube, from Desi's Corner. She was really sweet and she gifted me it, and I'm so grateful to her because I would have never gotten it. But I do like the size of this one because it's not super big, you know. It's just, and it would be definitely great for travel. But I know it's not necessary to have two of these of the same palette. But I'm very grateful. This is a very smaller version of that. It does have a mirror, has the little plastic with the names. I'm not going to touch it, but I'm sure that you're familiar with the James Charles palette. A mini version of the big one right there. This was on sale for $13, which I thought was a great buy in my opinion. And I thought this would make a really nice gift for someone. I have a couple people in mind that I want to give it to. So like I said, I have a couple friends that birthdays are coming up, my YouTube friends, and then I have a Secret Santa from one of my YouTube friends as well. And so I've just been picking up things that I think that people would enjoy, or that myself would enjoy, just to have it on hand. So that is the first thing that I picked up. These next palettes are for myself. They are from ColourPop, and this is a new collection, I guess, that ColourPop's doing. I think it's exclusive to Ulta. I haven't seen these on their website. I did look, but I did not see them. So I don't think you can get them currently on their website, on the ColourPop website. But these are, I'll show you each one individually. These retailed for $14 a piece, but I did have a coupon. So after the coupon discount, I think I paid $11 and like 23 cents a piece, which I thought was a great deal. This is the Glam Right palette. This is the first one. And I know the coloring is really yellow. There's no mirror in these, which is fine with me. That does not bother me. But this is what this first one looks like. Now, I'm pretty sure when I was looking at these, I'm like, I have shades that are very similar to this. But because it's a new palette from ColourPop, of course, I want to collect their palettes that I feel like speak to me. And these definitely did. This is more like on the pinky side. Again, that one was called Glam Right. And I believe they're exclusive to Ulta because, like I said, I haven't seen them on their website as of yet. And it's just like my other collection that I have, which is the Bird collection. That one was an exclusive to Ulta, and I'm so glad I picked it up because they never brought it to their website. This is Charm School. This is more on the gold side, it looks like. Very beautiful packaging, in my opinion. That is what it looks like. And a lot of these, like, got a little damage on the way out to me. Unfortunately, got some browns, some of the brown in here. But this is just a beautiful palette. This kind of reminds me of a palette I already have from them. which is called the Bordeaux, I think is what it's called, but I could be wrong at the name. But this one is really pretty. It has like the navy blues and silvers. I think it was gorgeous. I couldn't decide on just getting like a couple. I ended up just getting them all because I knew I would regret it later on. But that's the second one. The third one is called Lock It Down, and the packaging is so pretty. ColourPop definitely slays it in packaging. Like, look at that. And then on the inside, it has those flowers and stuff. I might have to play with my camera. I haven't been filming very much lately, so my camera's kind of all over the place, and it's doing things that it typically does not do. So this is more of like your purples, but like your pinky purples, they're not really like a true purple. Fuchsias and stuff like that. Absolutely beautiful. I don't want to swatch anything because my goal is to play in these and do looks either on here or on my Instagram and share them with you guys. That one's super pretty. And then the last one is Bling Time. And these are 9 pan palettes. And I love that they're not super big shadow pans, but they're not super small as well. To me, they're a perfect size. And that this is more like your peachy toned. I feel like this reminds me a lot of the Sweet Talk palette that they have, as well as one that I have, which I think the peach palette, is it the peach? But it's so pretty, you guys. I don't know why I showed you upside down because there's no mirror, but absolutely beautiful. Again, I did see them still on the website. They did have some lip products that Kate was with this collection, and some, I think it's eye pencils, but I think they're the original ColourPop singles that they do. Glitters, I think, are absolutely gorgeous. I have not played in them. Definitely excited about those. Okay, the next thing that I picked up is this Zoeva Eyeshadow Fix Matte Longwear Primer. And these, I guess they're taking Zoeva out of Ulta. I'm not sure. I'm not 100%. But I did see that these were on sale for $3. Now, this is a very small. I wasn't expecting it to be this small. However, it's not necessarily a bad thing because eyeshadow primer is one of those things that takes forever to go through. So I'm not really disappointed in that. It is in the matte shade, like I said, and it's more your skin tone. So these were on sale for $3. And like I said, I thought they were going to be just a tad bigger, but it is okay. I did pick up 2 of those, one for myself and one for a gift. That's going to go in one of my Christmas gifts. So there's that. Again, those were $3. The next thing that I picked up is this Jaclyn Hill Divine Neutrals and Morphe eyeshadow palette. Now, they had these on sale for $10.80. Plus, I got an additional discount because of the coupon I had. So I got them for less than $10, you guys. And they're originally $23. I didn't even know she made another palette with Morphe, to be honest. I saw someone using it on their channel. Someone I follow, another YouTuber, her name is, I think it's under V Stokes is her channel. I will leave her linked down below. Check her out. She is a smaller channel, but she does great content. She has some beautiful looks. She's a licensed cosmetologist, and she just does makeup very beautifully, and she does a lot of reviews. She does BoxyCharm unboxings, and she's a young girl, but she is so pretty, and she just does a great job on her makeup. So I definitely recommend her, that you guys check her out. But she was using this on her channel, and I'm like, what? I didn't even know Jaclyn Hill Morphe did another palette. And I don't really have an issue with Morphe. I know some people do. And I know some people have issues with the other people, collaborators and things like that. I don't really keep up with all that drama. So that doesn't bother me. I just order. If I feel like ordering and buying something, I buy. And so that's how I am. So this is the front of the packaging of the palette. I did take it out of its container, but the box looks exactly the same. your basic neutrals palette. Did I need this? No. But for $10, for less than $10, like I said, it was on sale for $10.80, but I got it for like $9.60 something. I think it's a absolutely great deal, and that is what it looks like. Beautiful palette right there. Just complete neutral. So the whole top is matte, and the bottom is all shimmers or toppers or whatever you want to call them. Super beautiful. They do have the names. I do have two, I think, 2 or 3 of the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe older palettes that she did. When I worked at Ulta, I got them as gratis. Yeah, I have 2. I have Ring the Alarm and Bling Boss, and I love those palettes. I don't play with them enough just because when you have so much in your collection, you don't do that. You don't get to play with your stuff as much as you want to, unfortunately. But they are beautiful palettes. I've always loved them. I never had any issues with them. So I know for sure I'm going to love this. But again, that is what it looks like. I picked up 3 of those because I knew in my mind I had to pick them up for Christmas gifts. Because why not? It's a great deal. And I do have a couple people in mind that I want to give them to. So I'm really excited about that. I love picking up for myself, but I love even more picking up for others. It's just who I am. And I want to give them things that I would want for myself. So yeah. So again, I picked up 3 of those. I picked up are from Zoeva. I picked up 2 of these, one for myself and one for a gift. Again, I'm always thinking about other people, not just myself. So this is the Zoeva Spice of Life Highlighting and Blush Powder Duo. I'll open mine and I just got a little palette, which I shared with you guys in a TJ Maxx haul that looks like this palette too. Let me see if I have it right here. Oh yeah, so I found this little Voyager palette. It's called the Spice of Life. So basically it's the Spice of Life palette, but in a mini form. And I got this at TJ Maxx for $3.99. I shared that with you guys on a recent TJ Maxx haul. I'll show you real quick what it looks like again. I never got my hands on the actual full palette, so I went ahead and picked up this to add to my collection. It's just a really pretty, just everyday kind of wear palette. And I love that it's a travel friendly. So if, you know, I wanted to just take this and traveling, when we do travel, then that would be okay. So yeah, that I guess is part of this collection here. So again, this is a highlighter and blush. They're both labeled as highlighters, but I probably wouldn't use the other one as a highlighter. So definitely would work as a blush for me. And again, I got one for myself and one for someone else. But there it is right there. There is the blush and the highlighter. It looks absolutely beautiful right now on camera. The blush is coming off like a brown, but it's more of like a peachy coral. If my camera, there we go. You see that? Maybe I just need to scoot back. But see, it's like a peachy coral and then like a champagne-y color. So I'm really, really excited about this. This was on sale for $4.25. The last thing that I picked up, so I saw that Juvia's Place had brought some new holiday products to the store, to the Ulta store. I wanted to order them through Juvia's Place, but I ended up not ordering it through them because for the shipping, it would have been really expensive just for what I was wanting. I had to buy so much in order to get free shipping. I just didn't feel like it was worth it, so I held off. And then I got an email that Ulta was getting the stuff, so I went ahead and waited, and I got it from there. So these that I'm going to show you right now are the Juvia's Place Brush I Love Pro Brush Set, and it retailed for $45, but I got mine with the coupon. I had a $20 off coupon. I see it here now. Excuse me. I got it for this. I ordered all of this together, so I got $20 off the full order. And so these I got for $36.08, which I thought was a great deal. But this is what it looks like. It's just a beautiful display. I'm going to leave it out too because it's very holiday-ish. When I do my Christmas decor, I'm going to see if it will fit on my behind on my wall. On the stand I have, I don't know that it will, but it would be just so beautiful to display up there. That's what it looks like, just super beautiful. They have like that pretty gold and the teal and the red, very holiday-ish. And they do have like this pointed tip like this, which I absolutely think is beautiful. The quality is so nice. They feel so soft. They remind me a lot of the quality of ColourPop brushes. And I love ColourPop brushes. They are my absolute favorite. But these feel just like that. Feel so nice. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I apologize about the in and out of the lighting. I don't know what's going on with the camera. I need to replay with it and all that. But I thank you guys so much for watching. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe if you haven't already. I will be doing, probably my next giveaway will be as I get closer to another count, but I may do a random one again like I recently did. If you guys weren't aware, I recently did a random giveaway. And I already mailed those products out to the winner and everything. She did get them and she was super excited. So if you want to participate in that, definitely stay tuned. Again, like I said, it's going to be random so you won't know. I would like to do a giveaway where you will know probably when I get to maybe 650 to 700 subscribers because that's my next goal. It took me quite some time to get over the 500 hump, and I finally did. And so I just want to keep progressing from there. But I do appreciate you guys. Let me know if you've tried any of these products or if you want to try any of these products. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.